Howdy, partners. Let's talk pizza. Not just any pizza, but a rootin' tootin' loaded BBQ chicken pizza. You bet your boots we're making it right here at home. Get ready for smoky BBQ sauce, tender chicken, and a whole lot of cheese. It's gonna be epic. This recipe is so easy, even a city slicker can handle it. We're talking simple steps and a whole heap of flavor. So grab your apron and let's get this pizza party started. Before we get cooking, let's gather our ingredients. Think of it as rounding up the posse for a flavor fiesta. Pizza dough, we're keeping it simple with store-bought. BBQ sauce, go for your favorite, the tangier, the better. Cooked chicken, shredded or cubed, whatever you fancy. Red onion, thinly sliced for a little zest. Cheddar cheese, because every good pizza needs cheese. Mozzarella cheese, more cheese. Yes, please. Cilantro for a fresh herby finish. Now that we've got our ingredients, let's get prepping. This part is so easy, you can do it with your eyes closed, but maybe keep them open for safety's sake. Take your cooked chicken and toss it in a bowl with your favorite BBQ sauce. We want that chicken coated and ready to party on top of our pizza. Set it aside while we tackle the crust. See? Easy peasy. Now, let's build our pizza masterpiece. Section 4, Pizza Assembly. It's fun, I promise. All right, pizza pioneers, time to roll up our sleeves and get to work. Sprinkle some flour on a clean surface. This will be our pizza making arena. Grab your pizza dough and give it a good stretch. You can use a rolling pin too. We're aiming for a nice even circle. Now carefully transfer your dough to a baking sheet. Time to load it up. Spread that tangy BBQ sauce all over the dough, leaving a little crust around the edge. Sprinkle on that cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Now it's time for the star of the show, our BBQ chicken. Scatter it evenly over the cheese. Finally, add those red onion slices for an extra kick. Section 5, Golden crust and bubbly cheese. Oh my! Preheat that oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Our pizza is ready for its grand entrance. Carefully slide that baking sheet into the oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now comes the hard part, waiting. Keep an eye on your pizza, partner. We're looking for a golden brown crust and cheese that's bubbly and slightly browned. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Sprinkle with fresh cilantro, slice it up and dig in. Every bite is a taste of the Wild West. Enjoy, y'all!